What's up, guys? Down with Adventure Hobby Passion. Back today doing another video. Well, we're a week and a half in on owning the four-wheeler, the quad, the Raptor. And we got a lot to do. We got some upgrades. We got 2 new wheels, front wheels. We're going to give her a wash since I did go for my first ride. We're going to put some SC1 on it, get that super clean. We're going to get the chain greased up. We'll probably maybe even grease some stuff. You know, you got to have upgrades in the first week and a half of owning a machine. And then we'll also reveal the name of this bike at the end of the video. So let's jump over to the pressure washer and pressure wash this thing down. Alright, so we pulled the quad up into the shade of the trailer. So we're going to go ahead and pop off both these front tires. Get those changed over, get some new wheels on them. And then we're also, as soon as we pop those off, I'm probably going to spray down the plastics with that SC1 and try to make this plastics look brand spanking new. And keep it so some of the mud won't spray up on and stick to a lot of this. Also, before we do that, I wanted to show you guys that I got me a new toy that I have not used yet. Got me an Impact, still have not used it, and I've had it for like a month and a half. I found a good deal on it, so I was like, I might as well get it. So we're gonna set you up for time lapse and I get to use my baby. All right, so those front tires are off now. So now I'm gonna wipe down the plastics again and spray it. But I want to get some before and after shots. So let's get some cinematic shots. Well, I just got the SC1 all done on the inside of the fenders, and then I put it on the tops of the plastics. Oh, and I sprayed it down, and this socket is gonna run. Then I wiped it down, buffed it off, and it looks much better. So let me see if the camera will do any justice for you guys. Alright, so these tires are getting ready to get changed, so I'm going to change this one first, just in case I can only get one to change or have a problem. I don't care about damaging this one because I can't get damaged, it's already bent. So we're going to change this one first, and I'll get back to you with another update later. Alright guys, we are finally back. We're actually in the shed now because we got the four-wheeler pretty much done. Got the new wheels on it. Those kicked my butt. As you can tell, it's actually dark. Luckily, we got the lights here in the shed. But the freaking wax on this thing from the wash, that new car in a can, a new quad in a can, new vehicle in a can, whatever, SC1, it makes it look fantastic. Well, now I gotta test if the mud does actually fall off and make it a million times easier to wash. But new wheels are on, chain is greased, everything's washed and done up really good. Okay, I think that's all the mods that I have right now, but I do have more on the way. I have a better air filter, so second air filter, so I can switch them out. I'm gonna have a skin for it. And then I think that's all I'm gonna be doing for a bit. Now I gotta get a lot better at riding this thing. All right, the air filter didn't come till I was filming the next video, so it'll pretty much kind of be in the next video, but it's just an air filter. It's super easy to install, so I now have 2 of them to make it easy. One's dirty, throw the new one in, clean it, let it go dry and do whatever its thing, so I can go riding out day after day after day if I wanted to, and if the option comes up or whatever. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video of me upgrading the 4-wheeler. We're kind of doing maintenance and cleaning, but still loving the 4-wheeler. It's freaking fantastic, super good, and it is freaking cold in here. It's wintertime. This video is obviously getting filmed. It's filmed on Tuesday, the day before it goes live. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.